Mary, look at that man over there. He is talking very loud on the phone.
I know. The other patients look very tired and stressed.
We have 12 people waiting. The next doctor is late.
I will talk to the man on the phone. One moment.
Thank you. Also, that little girl is crying. Her mother looks worried.
Okay, first the man, then the girl.
I will get some water for the mother, and I will check the wait time again.
Good idea. I am back. The man is quiet now. He was nervous about his appointment.
I understand. The little girl stopped crying. The mother is happy now.
The doctor is ready. Who is next?
The older woman in the blue chair. She is waiting for 40 minutes.
I will call her now. John, you are very good at this.
We are a good team, Mary.
Always. Let's keep the room calm. It is part of our job.